There it's raining now. That's going to finish up. We're going to see that rain move out. We get a dry night. We get a dry first half of tomorrow, and then we're going to see a better chance for some thunderstorms coming into play late tomorrow night. So right now we're looking pretty quiet. What you see around Pittsburgh is not rain. That's just clutter on the radar. As we work south, though, this is where we've had some thunderstorms. They've been losing some steam. So this is just steady rain over Kingswood, just outside of Ralsburg. And this is going to cross over towards Mountain Lake Park as you get towards Bayard, Bittinger, as you get to Oakland, some lighter rains there. So we're looking at a drying trend taking place. So pretty much a dry night in store for us. It's going to stay warm and humid, though. Now look at these temperatures, most of them in the low to mid 80s, and then you get north and it's a lot cooler as you get on the other side of I-80. 71 Franklin, 70 Du Bois, 73 in Clarion. We quickly get into the 80s, and it's actually the mid 80s from Pittsburgh down south. This is where we have some warm air and a lot of humidity, and the humidity is actually making it feel warmer than what the thermometers are saying. So we have the 83 degrees here, but a very high dew point. When your dew points are getting into the upper 60s, it's uncomfortable, and that's where they're going to be for the night. So we see this uncomfortable, sticky setup continue through the nighttime and through the day tomorrow. And actually, after we get through tomorrow, we see drier air trying to work in with a cold front. So all around the region, we're looking like a drying trend's trying to take place. We've had this cold front pushing down, and that's going to push down to the south. But you can see we have some warm air pushing right behind us, so we're not going to get a big cool down in any capacity. So that cold front comes in while the warm front's coming in, or moves out, I should say, while the warm front's moving in, keeping the warm conditions around, keeping the humidity around. But there is a better cold front coming our way. And this one will actually drop our temperatures some more, and it's going to notably drop the humidity into the weekend. So this front comes through, bringing some showers and thunderstorms ahead of it. You could see early Saturday, maybe a leftover sprinkle. Those get out of here quickly. We quickly clear it out. We see the humidity dropping, and it's going to shape up to be a beautiful weekend. High pressure in play. It will be a little warmer than average for the weekend, but nice nonetheless. 63, a stray shower, a thunderstorm. Those winds coming out of the north tonight thanks to that warm front, but those winds switch again. And tomorrow they come out of the southeast. That keeps us warm in the mid 80s, partly cloudy, and even some thunderstorms trying to develop once we get into the afternoon. Those little pop-up ones trying to show up there. But bottom line, we're looking at most of the activity to really be finishing up as we get into early Saturday, and that's going to set us up for maybe an isolated early shower, but drying conditions, spreading sunshine, lower humidity, and temperatures a little closer to where they should be for this time of year, which is the mid 70s. 78 is about as close as it's going to get until the middle of next week. We see a little bump in the temperatures on Sunday, still dry with partly cloudy conditions, and after an isolated shower on Monday, we see those fall-like conditions return, mid 70s, bright sunshine, lower humidity, and very nice weather.